All right, hello there, everyone. It's Andrea Bassett from Forcemeat Academy, and today I'm just wondering if you, like me, have ever thought, are pâtés and terrine, are they the same? Well, it turns out pretty much, yeah, they are, but I don't want you to take my word for it, because what do I know? I've just been like a pâté fan for hardly any time at all. Instead, today I'm going to tell you what a few chefs have to say about this. Alright, so I gotta stand over here because it's like just the perfect time when the sun is like beating into the kitchen window and I don't want to be all like in the shadows. Okay, so let's get to it. So first bunch of chefs we're going to quote are these two guys, Brian Poulsen and Michael Ruhlman, who are amazing. I love those books, especially the pâté one. So about whether pâtés and terrines are the same, they say pâtés and terrines, broadly speaking, are essentially big sausages, but big, cooked in some sort of mold, either earthenware or porcelain on terrine, in dough on croûte, or in skin, such as galantines and ballotines. And in one of the other books, they say, most appreciate the depth of flavor of a judicious amount of liver ground with meat gives to a finished pâté, but it need not contain liver in order to be a pâté. Pâté, literally paste in French, is ground meat and fat cooked. That's all. Sometimes it's referred to as pâté en terrine, which simply means it's cooked in a pâté, or in a terrine mold. Alright, so that's two. Now, yes, they're the same. Now this guy, Hugh, from the River Cottage Meat book. Let's see what he has to say about the difference between pâté and terrine. Hugh says, someone, somewhere, may have a better definition of precisely how a terrine differs from a pâté, and it'll probably have something to do with the traditional earthenware terrines in which such a dish was cooked in France. But as far as I'm concerned, a pâté becomes a terrine when it has definable chunks of meat in it. Okay, so he's saying they're a little bit different. Now I'm going to give you what my favorite definition is from Chez Jacques, Traditions and Rituals of a Chef, of a Cook. This is Jacques Pepin, quote. Terrines are generally more elegant and often served with aspic, while the country pâté makes you think more of cornichons, sour French gherkins, and hot Dijon mustard. So a terrine and a pâté are the same, but from a different state of mind. All right, and let's just do one more, and we'll go over to what the garde-manger says. Now this is the Art and Craft of the Cold Kitchen by the CIA, also known as the Culinary Institute of America. That book is not for home cooks, it's very chefy, and they assume that you already know how to cook in their recipes there. Alright, so here's what the garde-manger has to say about terrines. Terrines, the shortened name of a dish classically known as pâté en terrine, are traditionally understood to be forcemeat mixtures baked in an earthenware mold with a tight-fitting lid. Alright, so the pâté is the stuff that becomes a terrine when you stick the stuff into the terrine. And there you have it. So I hope this has helped. If you want to know what about 5 more chefs have to say on the difference between pâté and terrine, spoiler alert, they're mostly the same. head on over to my blog, my article about this very question, where I have like 5 more examples and quotes from chefs. If you like this video, click on the like button, it's somewhere down there. If you want to subscribe to see more of these videos, just hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and may your pâtés, which are your terrines, be amazing always. Bye!